Hello friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. This is Tracey here, and we are talking Christmas ideas. The last video that we made was truffles and that you didn't need to bake, and today's session we're making trifle and that you don't need to bake. Also quick and easy, a little preparation required because you have to make jelly, but once it's all set and ready, then you're good to go. And you can test your creative skills. You can really get creative with this. You can use different types of fruits on the top, different types of fruits on the inside, different colors, anything you want to do. This is your creation. I'm just going to give you the idea of what to do and the framework, and you can go wild. So let's get started. I've whipped up some cream. For speed's sake, I've used tinned fruit, and also so that I can use the juice from the fruit. I've got a red jelly. I've got custard. You can make your own custard. I've got biscuits that I've broken up. You can use cake, old cake that you've got left behind. You can use finger biscuits. You can use chopped up Swiss roll. Whatever you want to use as a base. If you're using chopped up Swiss roll, that's a mouthful, then you can put it along the sides of the bowl or your container, and even that is pretty and creative. Okay, moving back, I've given you a green jelly, so green and red for Christmas, and we got some fruit to top it off with. You can make it in a bowl, ideally a clear glass bowl, so that people can see the layers and the interesting things that you put in the sides. Today I've chosen, because I've got guests coming, to do it in wine glasses. So we'll do two at a time. I'm going to take some of the biscuits and we're going to put it in to the bottom like that. Now, because I've chosen fruit and syrup, I'm going to use the syrup to soak into the biscuit. The ideal thing would be to use some sherry or brandy, and that's the South African way to do it, but I don't have any sherry or brandy in my house. So fruit juice it is. And then while we're at it, let's just add the fruit with a little bit more sauce. Oh look, there's a cherry. That should be fun. Then let's take some red jelly and we can pop it on the top. What shall we do next? Let's use some custard. And we'll put a layer of custard in. Yummy. I'm surprised I've got any custard left with my child in the house. He saw it and said, "Mom, can I have that?" Okay, let's use some green jelly to change the colors. Layer it as you want to. Okay, then I'm going to put some more fruit back in. There. Alright, we do just a little bit more custard. Yep. Oh, this could be delicious. I know it's going to be. And we'll take our whipped cream and we'll put it on the top. We'll finish it off with some fruit. How about a cherry and a strawberry? How about some blackberries? What does that look like? Okay, so obviously you can do it as you wish. Whatever looks pretty for you. There. How is that? Does it look not quite even? But hey, it's gonna taste delicious. Yeah, you can put it into a glass bowl, something like this, maybe a clearer, plainer, and then you can just imagine all the layers at the top. Lovely. And you can layer your fruit around. If you're chopping real fruit, you can layer it around the edges as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is Trifle. Please subscribe, share, and like, and I look forward to seeing you at my next Christmas idea.